Good students, today I am going to teach you about properties of multiplication of whole numbers. Okay? Many properties of multiplication of whole numbers as closure law, commutative law, associative law, multiplication law of 1 and multiplication law of 0, and as well as distributive law is also a law on which whole numbers are depends. Thus, we show all by which method whole numbers hold: closure law, commutative law, associative law in multiplication case. By which method hold? Okay? In first case, we show closure law. Closure law. Law means property. Law means law. Property means laws. Closure law, in the case of multiplication, which number is found, that also be a closure, that also be a whole number. In this case, if A and B are whole numbers, write it in shortcut, whole numbers. Okay? Understand it's whole numbers. Then during the closure law, we write it's in the case of multiplication. Closure law in multiplication is equal to also whole number. Whole number. Okay? Also whole numbers. Here, as let A is equal to 3, B is equal to 5. Look here, during the multiplication both are whole number. During the multiplication which result is found, that also be a whole number. Look here, 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Here 15 is the whole number. The multiplication of two whole number is always found whole number. Look here, and you know that whole number is always found in positive case. Positive, not in negative. Okay? Look here, if any number is negative, that number will be not a whole number. Whole number always found in positive form. Look here. Thus, closure law hold in multiplication case. Okay. After this, second, commutative law. Commutative law. Commutative law or commutative property. Okay, we can say here, if A and B are two whole number, are two whole numbers, then whole numbers, then we write here A during the multiplication A into B is equal to B into A. Okay, this is the rule of only terms change. A into B, we can write B into A, which result is found that also be a whole number. Okay, then look here, if A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 7, then we write here 2 into 7 is equal to 7 into 2 is equal to 14. 14 also a whole number. 2 into 7, or you can write 7 into 2, both are equal, and which result is found that also be a whole number. Okay, then after this, third law. I tell you about what is third law. Associative law. Associative law. Associative law. Associative law. Okay, then associative law, in this case, 3 whole numbers are compulsory. If A, B and C are 3 whole number, or 3 whole numbers, then we can write according to the rule of associative law in multiplication. A into, in bracket, B into C is equal to, we can write A into B, bracket closed, and outside C. This form is associative rule. Associative law or rule or property, all are same. Here A multiply in bracket B into C, all are equal. You can write in this form multiply, or you can write in this form do multiply. There is no effect, no difference, both are equal. This is called, this multiplication result is equal to this multiplication results. Okay, here let example, let A is equal to 2, B is equal to 5 and C is equal to 1. In this case we write here 2 into 5 into 1 is equal to 2 into 5 into 1. Okay, both are same. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. Here 2 5 ja 10, 1 ja 10. All have same result, and here 10 is also a whole number. Also a whole number. Okay, then this rule is associative law. This rule is called associative law. Thus, multiplication of whole numbers hold of associative law. After this, next, fourth rule, fourth law. In this case, look here, fourth law. multiplication law of 1. Multiplication law of 1, in this case, if A is A and 1 are whole numbers, all whole numbers, then during the multiplication we get the result A into 1 is equal to A. A is also a whole number. Okay, then on the place of A, any number you can take. A is equal to 3, 4, 5, so any number. Look here, if A is equal to take 3, then 3 into 1 is equal to 3, or you can write here 1 into 3. There is no difference. Same result, 3 1 ja 3, 1 into 3, 3. Thus, found result 3 also a whole number. Thus, we see that multiplication law of 1 hold of this law. Okay? When any number multiplied by 1, there is no difference is found the result. Here as 5 into 1 or 1 into 5 is equal to 5. Also a whole number, there is no difference. Which result is found, that result also be a whole number. So there is no difference is found during the multiplication of 1 in any number. Okay, then after this, fifth, which is very important. Fifth rule, multiplication law of 0. Multiplication law of 0. Here, if any whole numbers are given in which we multiply by 0, that all are 0. Look here, as 5 is whole number, multiply in 0, or you can write here 0 into 5 is equal to 0. And look here, 0 is also a whole number. The multiplication of 0, any number, when we multiply by 0, then the result will be 0. Any number. Okay? A is equal to 0. 0 is also whole number. Okay? Any number. In this case, any numbers multiplied by 0, that time result will be 0. Okay? Thus, this is the multiplication law of 0. Okay? In this case, we multiply of any number, or when we multiply by 0, that result will also be 0. Okay? After this, distributive law. This is very important law. distributive law. Distributive law. Distributive law. In this case, if A, B and C are three whole numbers, then we write according to distributive law. Distributive law, in this case, A into B plus C, which result is found, that result also be a whole number. Okay, here if or let A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3 and C is equal to 5. According to this rule, we multiply in this case. Here A, here in bracket two terms, then A multiply in first term, then and A multiply in second term. We write here A multiply in B. When open the bracket, A multiply in B and A multiply plus C, plus A into C. Okay, which result is found whole number. Which result is found whole number. Here 2 into 3 plus 5, we write its 2 into 3 plus in second term, when bracket open, then 2 multiply 3 plus 2 multiply 5. 2 multiply 5. Okay, then thus we get here 2 3 are 6, 5 2 are 10. We get a 16, and 16 is also a whole number. Okay, then this topic is very important. You watch carefully of the given videos and write in and read and write in your notebook. Okay, then after this next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, then thank all of you.